This is Chris's Colorado here, and as you can see, it's a real clean vehicle. And what are some of the things that you've done with the truck?
I've done a 2-inch Goodmark cowl hood, the Street Scene Gen 1 bumper, Street Scene roll pan, Xenon side skirts, Street Scene grill, lowered on Beltec ball joints, coils, and leaf springs, 20-inch American Racing RTS, sorry. And clear corners. For performance, I've done an AEM intake and a Magnaflow catback exhaust for the moment.
You did a lot of stuff. It's looking real nice. I guess you guys rolled in all together with all the Colorados, huh?
Yep, and primarily on a site called 355nation.net. So if you guys want, check it out.
All right, I will. Thanks a lot, Chris.
No problem.